Omusibe waffe ng'ayitibwa Lazarus Kahanjire myaka 48 nga abadde akuumirwa mu ddwaliro lya Nyabushikye Ibanda district nga bamusindika mu kkomera ennaku z'omwezi nga 2 Ogwokusatu 2025 ng'ali ku musango gwa kwagala kutta munne oba banne. Bwe twamuyingiza ne tumucekinga ne tusanga nga yali mulwadde era n'okujja nga zitowa kiro 49 nga ayina n'ebirwadde bye yali atambudde nabyo etugezaako omujjanjaba naye ebyembi nga nnaku z'omwezi 4 Ogwokuna 2025 nga amaze weeks 2 zokka mu kkomera sawa nga 2 n'eddakiika 15 ez'okumakya n'aba nga atufaako n'afiira mu ddwaliro ery'eruhoko erisangibwa eyo era Ibanda. Kati olwamala okufa ne tutegeeza b'enganda ze ne bajja ne batwala omulambo era abasawo abeekebejja kyekyaaviirako okufa kyalaga nti yali alina empewo mu mawugwe ate nga n'ekirala omusaayi nga mutono nnyo n'aba nga tasobola kuwona naye ebyembi yali aziikibwa ng'aziikibwa ate ne kubaawo abaatwalira amateeka mu ngalo ne bakuba abapoliisi abaali bazze kuba nti bakuuma ddembe era constable Kyemonge Sulaiman n'afa ng'ali ku mulimu akola ekikolwa ekyo tukivumirira ffe ng'ab'ekitongole eky'amakomera era tusaba poliisi egezeeko nga bwesobola kulaba nti abo abakozi b'ebyambyoni bakolebwako ng'amateeka bwe galagira. Tusaba abalamuzi tusaba omutonzi abagenzi abalamuzi ekisa. Oli bw'aba afiiridde mu kkomera kubanga oba okwatiddwa ekirwadde ng'oli mu kkomera era tuba tukutwala mu ddwaliro tusooka ne kutwala omugaffe naye bwebanga tulemeddwa tusobola kukozesa eddwaliro eritusemberedde bwebutuuka mu ddwaliro n'ofa omulambo era gutwalibwa mu ggwanika ne tutegeeza ab'enganda z'omusibe ne bajja ne bakima omulambo ne baguziika ffe tetugenda kuziika mpozi bekikwatako baba balina okujja bafune ebintu by'omugenzi ebibanga bisigadde mu kkomera. Ebyo si byaffe. Overman prisoner number NYA 211 of 2025 Lazarus Kahanjire of Nyabushikye Government Prison. The late remand prisoner Lazarus Kahanjire, a male adult aged 48 years, was admitted to Uganda Government Prison Nyabushikye in Ibanda District on 20th March 2025 on charges of attempted murder. And right from the time of his admission, he was weak, and actually on trying to weigh him, he was weighing 49 kilograms, and he had had a medical history. Unfortunately, after 2 weeks in custody, that is on 4th of April 2025, at around 08:15 hours, he succumbed to illness at Ruhoko Hospital, and his relatives were duly informed. The postmortem report stated the cause of death as lobar pneumonia and anemia. It is regrettable that the mob took the law into their own hands, attacked and wrongfully killed a police officer, number 75-290, PC Sulaiman Kyemonge, who was on duty. Uganda Police Service condemns this barbaric act in the strongest terms possible and urges Uganda Police to ensure that the culprits are brought to book. Uganda Prison Service continues to condole with the families of the late police constable and the deceased prisoner. May the souls of the deceased rest in eternal peace. Okay. Yeah, they buried him. Okay. Actually, the policeman was killed in the process of the burial because according to even the police spokesperson report, that on the burial, that's when the policeman appeared. Then there was commotion because they had come for public order, because there was a contention. The whole case originated from land, according to what I'm reading. So the man was arrested for fighting for his land. Now when he died in prison, of course, those who were close to him were trying to avenge his death. And because he had been arrested by the police, that's why their anger was poured on the policeman.
Were you present there? I mean, the prison.
For us, the moment a person dies, the body is in the mortuary and we inform the relatives. That's where we stop. Yeah. Okay. It was there to keep law and order.
Okay. So what happens after the death of one inmate?
We report to the relatives. They come and pick the body for burial. Then the next of kin comes for the property of the prisoner. Of course, if he dies in hospital, when most of the property is in the prison.
But he got the adequate treatment.
He came when he was sick, continued to get treatment, but in 2 weeks he degenerated and died. You see, I could have said he had AIDS, but that is not my work. That's not my work.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why it is better I tell you, and I hope you don't put this one we are conversing about.
Okay, I understand.